Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're making something a little different, a cortisol lowering smoothie. Everyone always talks about cortisol and how it shouldn't be high, but no one really explains why that's a problem or how to actually bring it down. So this smoothie is designed to support your body and bring those cortisol levels back to balance. The ingredients are clean and simple. 1 banana, half cup of frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds or chia seeds, or you can add both of them. We'll also need a dash of cinnamon, and then we need 1 tablespoon of almond butter or peanut butter, or you could do PB2, which would give you some protein. And if you want even more protein, add in some Greek yogurt. Not only will this give you protein, but it will make the smoothie creamy. Just toss everything into a blender and blend until it's smooth. Now let's break down why all of this works. The banana has natural sweetness plus potassium and magnesium, which are calming minerals that support your nervous system. The frozen blueberries are full of antioxidants that protect your body from oxidative stress, the kind that spikes cortisol. Nut butter is a healthy fat and protein which will help stabilize your blood sugar, which keeps mood swings and energy crashes in check. Flax seeds or chia seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3s, and hormone balancing properties. And unsweetened almond milk is a clean, dairy-free base that won't spike your insulin levels. Cinnamon is not just for flavor, it helps regulate blood sugar, which can indirectly help keep cortisol levels in balance. Now, why or how does this smoothie help with cortisol? Well, let's understand what cortisol is first. Cortisol is our body's main stress hormone. When it's too high for too long, like when we're constantly busy, anxious, or not sleeping well, it can mess with everything from mood to metabolism. This smoothie is designed to support your body and bring back those cortisol levels back to balance. It's perfect for breakfast or a midday snack, and it's packed with ingredients that work together to help regulate your stress hormones naturally. So if you're someone who deals with daily stress, fatigue, or even anxiety, this smoothie is such a gentle and nourishing way to give your body the support it needs. Try it out and let me know how you feel after a week of adding it to your routine, and share this with a friend that would also benefit from this smoothie.